So we received a few queries asking about the differences between a skin booster and a filler injection. Now we know both are injectable hyaluronic acid treatments which are available for improving the aesthetics of skin, but let's break down the differences. So a skin booster aims to improve the hydration of the skin, it aims to improve the elasticity and radiance of the skin. So it is the internal moisturizer and improves the overall quality of skin. On the contrary, fillers aim to restore the contours and restore the volume of the face, and that's how they help in reducing the deep wrinkles and lines of our face. Second point, composition. So we know both of them contain hyaluronic acid. So what is the difference? The difference is in the consistency of the product. So skin boosters are thinner in consistency, more like water. So, and in addition to it, they also contain vitamins and peptides, so they're easily spreadable in the skin. On the contrary, fillers are more thicker in consistency, so they're meant to hold onto the skin structures and give added structural support to the skin. So, third point, the depth of injection. So, skin boosters are injected immediately under the skin, that is into the mid dermis or deep dermis layer, and they're meant to add hydration and radiance to the skin. On the contrary, fillers are injected either deeper to the dermis in the subacute region or close to the bone, depending upon the goal to be achieved. Going on to the treatment areas, skin boosters are injected in areas which are more exposed, such as the face, the neck, and the back of the hands, where signs of aging are prominently seen. Comparatively, a filler is injected into areas which need volumizing, say for example cheeks, nasolabial folds, under the eye hollowness, or in the chin or lips. So these are specific areas where fillers are injected to volumize. Coming to the results that these products can give. So a skin booster gives a very subtle natural glow to the skin and improves the quality of skin, which again improves over the time. So it is not meant to lift or sculpt any part of the body. On the contrary, a filler being more volumizing in nature, it immediately volumizes and improves the structural stability of the face. So the results are immediate and dramatic. Let's discuss the longevity of the result. So skin boosters typically last for about 4 to 6 months. And on the contrary, a filler will last for anywhere between 6 months to 24 months, depending upon the site where it is injected. Skin boosters are usually given as a series of sessions, whereas filler treatment is a one-time thing. So if you have any more queries regarding a skin booster treatment or fillers, do put it in the comments link and we will get back to you and answer all your queries.